The civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for the states of Michigan, Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, effective from 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency in the United States Department of Health and Human Services. This is a public health emergency. An unknown phenomenon is causing people to change from one biological gender to the other, and vice versa. Victims of this unknown phenomenon have reported to have their reproductive organs and privacy body parts being altered or removed entirely. People changing from male to female have been reported to be developing organs suitable for the female body, as well as swelling of the chest, whitening of the hips, softening of the voice, and shedding of body hair. Likewise, changing from female to male have been reported to be developing organs suitable for the male body, as well as contraction of the chest, narrowing of the hips, densification of the bones and muscles, deepening of the voice, and sudden growth of facial hair. This new condition, now dubbed the gender reassignment disorder, causes affected people to switch genders by rewriting the human biology of the affected target. It is currently unknown as to what caused this phenomenon to occur. However, the United States Department of Health and Human Services and the Centers for Disease Control are working into what is causing this event to occur. It is also reported that people affected with a gender reassignment disorder have also experienced extreme physical and mental pain. The death toll of the disorder caused by physical pain, mainly by heart conditions and strokes, is somewhere between 6,000 and 8,000 casualties. Gender reassignment disorder has also resulted in multiple forms of anxiety and/or depression in those who survived the initial gender reassignment. The number of people who have taken their own lives due to the mental pain or trauma caused by the gender reassignment disorder is somewhere in the tens of thousands. A state of emergency has been enacted for the warned areas. If you're currently experiencing changes in your body that are not consistent with the gender you were born as, including or growth or loss of organs, head to the nearest hospital for treatment. If the gender reassignment disorder is causing you to have homicidal or suicidal thoughts or actions, call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline at 988 or go to the nearest hospital for mental health treatment. Use the preceding number if you have suicidal thoughts. Do not use your phone if you do not have an actual emergency. Make sure you are tuned into local TV and radio outlets for more information on this unusual and developing situation.